Hi, I'm Mike. We're at 11 Madison Park, and today I'm going to make silken tofu with tomato and anise hyssop. First of all, these are the tomatoes that we're going to be using today. These are grown at our farm in upstate New York, Hoosick Falls, Magic Farms. So here we have Edox, which is the red variety. Orange is Sun Gold tomatoes. We have the yellow, which is Gold Nugget, and then a Bronze Torch, which is the kind of variegated green red tomato. So we're going to start by making the silken tofu. These are our steamer boxes that we use tableside at the restaurant. So at the base here, I'm just going to put some boiling water. And then in each of these cups here, we have a little bit of salt and an acidifier. It's called glucono-delta-lactone. It's actually fermented glucose. It helps set the tofu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some fresh soy milk that we get from Fong On down in Chinatown. It's one of the oldest soy milk tofu houses in New York City. We heat it to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And what we'll do here is I'll put this in the steam box. And basically, as we pour it, we're going to kind of mix it as well. 5 minutes to fully set. So we'll keep these in here and let it sit for 5 minutes. While we're doing that, I have some tomatoes here that have just been lightly warmed. We have a tomato vinaigrette. It's a reduced tomato water with a Chardonnay vinegar. It's been thickened slightly with a little bit of xanthan gum. So we'll season those up really nice. Season them with a little fleur de sel. So now that the tofu should be set, here we go. On top of that, we're going to put a little tomato condiment. It's a tomato confit, dehydrated, semi-dehydrated tomato. It's mixed with some fresh tomatoes, some shallot, some Calabrian chili, and some red bell pepper that's roasted. We'll put a little bit of that on top of the tofu here. So that's a little base, the tomato. And then we're going to put our seasoned tomatoes on top. Kind of arrange the different colors. Try to mix it up a little bit. And then we have our charred scallions. Tuck those in there. Then we have a tomato nage. It's tomato water base. We steep in some lemon verbena, some basil, and a little bit of lemon thyme. I'm going to fill in between the tomatoes. Then we're going to finish with some anise hyssop. There we have it. And here's our silken tofu with tomato and anise hyssop.